Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the last topic on deep generative modeling, namely autoregressive models and normalizing flows. Of course, these two topics could take at least one a separate lecture each, but we will just go through these ideas so that you have a general overview and of course later on if you're interested in this topic so we can collaborate on them. All right, let's start. So again, we would like to highlight that we have these three main groups of generative models. So far we talked about latent verbal models, and today we are going to explain the remaining two groups of models. And in order to remember what are differences between different models, so first of all, about likelihood function, so ability of calculating likelihood. So for autoregressive models and flow-based models, we can exactly calculate the likelihood function. For implicit models like GANs, where we don't define likelihood function, so we cannot calculate it. And for VAEs or latent verbal models in general, we can approximate it and pretty well. In terms of sampling, as we will see today, so for autoregressive models, this is rather slow. For flow-based models, it is faster, way faster, but sometimes, of course, if a model is really big and the dimensionality of objects is really enormous, like millions of, for instance, pixels, so then it will be maybe slow as well. In terms of compression, so but lossy compression, so for autoregressive models, we can do that. For flow-based models, we can do lossless compression, but we cannot do lossy compression. All right, so today we cover the first two rows, so autoregressive models and flow-based models.